Hey, how you doing today, guys? Today I'm about to show you how to install your 3D shadow light on your door. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Here we go, guys. This is really easy. Basically you need only one tool, just like this, or a flat screwdriver, something that is flat basically, and you only have to do this to the OEM light and pull up, and that is gonna come out, and you only disconnect this cable over here and connect the shadow lights. Is this one. And to put it back, just put everything back and push back to the door, just like that. And here we go. You already have your shadow lights on. And wait to the end so you can see on the nighttime. Let me show you guys from inside of the vehicle how we look when we open the door. It look really nice. Illuminate the entry of the vehicle. Really nice feature, guys. I recommend you to get in this product. Really nice. Hey guys, let me show you the nighttime. Look how it looks. Really nice and sharp. I recommend you guys to get in this product. Really nice. Show you one more side every time you open the door. Just like that, man. Really nice. I recommend you getting it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.